It's now time with the real clock to put the movement into the Chicken Cuckoo Clock. And so I have to decide which pendulum length I need. That dictates which movement I put in, and there are 3 options, though there are only really 2 for this clock. The easiest way for me to figure it out is to do it electronically, because then I can really see it very clearly. So here I am drawing in the pendulum. I've already put a 0 up at the top of where the movement would be, up at the top of that dial, so I know where my beginning point is, so I can measure down. And here I am making a bob. And now I'm going to add lines to represent the 2 different places that the bob could end up. One is 11¼ inches and one is 9¼ inches. And now what I can do is look at my 2 different options and compare them. So here's one option, and now I'm going to duplicate the bob and the pendulum and move it over to the other clock. And then I can really get a nice side-by-side comparison. There we go. And I really ended up liking the one on the left, which is a little bit shorter. And I can adjust the length of the pendulum. That isn't something that's written in stone at all. This is just to get an idea of which movement to put in. And the bob can only be so big, it can only be so heavy, or it'll slow down the clock. It can be bigger than that, but not too big, because we don't want the clock stopping. So there you go, the one on the left.